jntuk r23 introduction to programming C program syllabus common to all engineering branches first year. Unit 1 introduction to programming and problem solving, history of computers, basic organization of a computer, ALU, input output units, memory, program counter, introduction to programming languages, basic of computer program, algorithm, flowcharts, using dia tool, pseudocode, introduction to compilation and execution, primitive data types, variables and constants, basic input and output, operations, type conversion and casting, problem solving techniques, algorithmic approach, characteristics of algorithm, problem solving stages, top down approach, bottom up approach, time and space, complexities of algorithms. Unit 2 control structures, simple sequential programs, conditional statements, if comma, if else comma, switch, loops, for comma, will comma, do will, break and continue. Unit 3 arrays and strings, arrays indexing, memory model, programs with array of integers, two-dimensional arrays, introduction to strings. Unit 4 pointers and user defined data types, pointers comma, dereferencing and address operators comma, pointer and address arithmetic comma, array manipulation using pointer comma, user defined data types, structures and unions. Unit 5 functions and file handling, introduction to functions, function declaration and definition, function call return types and arguments, modifying parameters inside functions using pointers, arrays as parameters, scope and lifetime of variables, basic of file handling.